Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this class we are going to discuss about AWK command. The AWK pattern scanning and processing language. The AWK abbreviated from the names of the developers Aho, Weinberger and Kernighan. In Aho, A, Weinberger, W, in Kernighan, K. Altogether we call as a AWK command. Add command. Its behavior is to some extent like SCD. In previous class we discussed about SCD command. So SCD command is used to print the lines which match with some pattern. It reads the input file line by line and performs an action on a part or on the entire lines. So what is the purpose of the AWK? The AWK command can apply some actions on file line by line. So unlike SCD, however, it does not print the lines unless specifically told to print it. So the difference between SCD is AWK is in SCD, if the pattern is matched with the line will be displayed. But coming to AWK, specifically you are going to print those lines. Okay, that is the difference between SCD and AWK. So features of AWK. So field oriented file processing. So field oriented file processing means if there is a file ABC, this is the file ABC. So this is the first line, second line, third line. The AWK process this ABC file field oriented file processing. That means here, so these are the fields. When space is encountered, then this is the field 1, field 2 and field 3. Okay, so this is the line 1, line 2, line 3. So regular expressions, you are going to apply some regular expressions to find the patterns and predefined variables and numeric operations. You can perform arithmetic operations, comparison operators, that means relational operators, and we have arrays. The control statements is nothing but branching and looping, and report generation means we are going to print some reports. The syntax is you can write AWK, small letters, provide the options, and in this single quotation, you are going to write the script. You are going to write the script here. Here you are provide the input file name. Input file name AWK script input file. Now this script is applied on each line in this input file. Okay. So example. So this is the who command. So what is the purpose of the who command? Who currently logged in the system? Those details will be printed on standard output. Now this is the, let us assume this is the output. Okay. What is the advantage of AWK? So field oriented file processing. Now this is the output, only one line. The field oriented means when the space is occur, this is the field 1, this is the field 2, so this is the field 3, so this is the field 4, so this is the field 5. Okay. Now I give this who output to AWK. Now instead of input file, I am piping the output of who command to AWK as a input. Now I want to print $1 and $5. Okay, so $1 means field 1. So $1 means field 1. So $5 means field 5. Now we can see what is the output. So print $1, $5. So what is the $1 in this? The $1 is $1. So this is the output. And after that what I print? $5. $5 means the last one. Last field. That's it. This is the output. Okay. So now we can see how we are going to use input file. So this is the sample file. The file name is sample. So this is the line 1, line 2, line 3 and line 4. And these are the fields F1, F2, F3. That means $1, $2, $3. Okay. So now I can write one command AWK and here the comparison operator. If $3 greater than 200. So $3 is nothing but this is the first field, second field, third field. Yes, this is the $3. If $3 greater than 200, yes, this is the greater than 200. This is the greater than 200. This is greater than 200. That means, so in these three lines, the field 1 will be displayed. What is the output for this? Ravi and Sita and Kiran. So this is the output. So next one, AWK regular expression slash cap. That means it identifies if line is starting with Sita. That we are going to print. So what is the line? Line 3 will be output. Similarly, echo 22:7. So what is the output? 22:7 means it prints 22:7. And I can give this output as input to AWK. Print $1 by $2. 22:7. This is the $1. This is the $2. That means 22/7. That means here you are going to perform division operation, and it prints 3.14285. Okay. So now I want to print 20 digits. I want to print 20 digits. In that time, we are going to use printf. Okay. So previously we are using print. Now we are going to use printf. So what is the difference between print and printf? So print function we are going to use to print unformatted data. So printf means if you want to format the data, then you are going to use printf. Here I am formatting this by using this control string. So percentage 1.20f. That means f is floating point number. 1.20 means I want to print up to 20 digits. So now echo 22:7. Now 22:7 is input to AWK, and I want to print f 22/7. And I am formatting this data with printf function. I want to print 20 digits. Now, so this is the output. Okay. So now we see the execution of AWK command. So this is the who command. Output is, so this is the first field, second field, third field, and fourth field, and fifth field. Okay, now I can pass this output to AWK command. I write AWK script in single quotation. Print, so $1, comma $5. That's it. So what is the $1 here? So this is the first field, and this is the fifth field. So it prints Varada and bracket colon 0. Okay. We take one input file, cat sample. So this is the input file. Now we are going to write the patterns AWK. In this, I want to print $3 greater than 200. Then I want to print the names, and the input file name is sample. Now, so this is the first field, second field, third field. So $3 greater than 200 here, yes. So it prints first field. Here 200, so not true. So go to third line. It prints Ravi, Sita, Kiran as output. Okay, so now I can use regular expression AWK. If it is starting with Sita, if the record is starting with Sita, then I want to print the entire record. File name is sample. Okay, now the third line is starting Sita, so it prints entire record. So now we see number processing. Echo 22/7. It prints 22/7. Echo 22/7. I pipe this output to AWK. In this, I am going to print $1 by $2. So now this is the output 3.14286. Now I want to format this by using printf function. Printf so how we can write the printf? So control string percentage 1.20f slash n means new line, comma $1 by $2. Close the printf. So now it prints 20 digits. I hope you understand the difference between print and printf.